Welcome back to the channel.
Hi, I'm Tyler.
And my name's Luke, and together we are the Two Bohemians.
Yes.
For the past 2 days we have been at Quinta Da Gricha Winery in the heart of the Douro Valley in Portugal. We've had an absolutely amazing time.
It's been so good. We've been drinking our hearts out with port wine. We've been exploring the terrain and it's just been the most beautiful location to do so.
Surprisingly, we've had no hangovers either. Anyway, enough of that. Before we carry on, we're going to show you what we've been up to in the video, and then we're going to talk about our experience at the end. We hope you enjoy the video, and if you like it, please hit like and leave us a comment.
And subscribe!
Let's say the things that we both know. Gonna take these words and make them stone. I know a place on the edge of town. The whiskey and the wind are the only sounds. Let's make like a tree, grow some roots, do all the things that old folks do. I need you and you need me. What else more could someone need? You've got a key and I've got a lock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Want someone to lie, rely on a flight. Wanna drive all night and head out west. Get lost in Montana, find the Santa Ana. If we're going nowhere, we're going nowhere fast. Hard times come and hard times pass. I'll be there when the sky turns black. I need you and you need me. What else more could someone need? You've got a key and I've got a lock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock. What else more could someone need? You got a key and I've got a lock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock.
We have had a whirlwind of a time in literally the most insane location.
The team here have taken such good care of us.
Yep.
We've pretty much had the whole place to ourselves.
Which was so weird staying in a hotel
Yep.
by yourself, because a lot of people had cancelled from the whole situation with England, so we literally were just home alone basically.
Yeah. Situation being it went from the green list to the amber list anyway.
Yeah.
But if you are coming to the Quinta Da Gricha, they have exclusive offers for UK travellers, which you get all-inclusive packages.
So
you get food, you get accommodation, you get wine, you get tours.
You get more wine.
Wine tasting, wine tours, you get a jeep tour around the vineyards. It's
You get
absolutely
two
amazing.
cute little dogs. You get a balcony which you can read off. Oh, it's just, yeah, it's perfect.
We're really sad that it's only been 2 days.
We could
really
stay
wish we had more
forever.
time.
But it's been so good, and we've actually learned quite a lot on how to make port wine, which is something we never thought we would be interested in learning.
No. Of course, whenever people people think of wine and think, oh, we'll just go to the shop, oh, here's a nice bottle, and they go home and make it. There's actually such a history behind it. And this place, Quinta Da Gricha, has been here since 1852, I think, which is absolutely astounding. They make the wine in a traditional way. They still use their feet to press the grapes and use a natural fermentation process. Yeah,
and one of the things that we both discovered is that I'm more of a fresh kind of person, so I like anything between 2018 upwards, whereas Luke's more of an oldie. He likes anything 10
I like
years.
The vintage.
Yeah, he likes the vintage.
10, no, we're not talking 10, we're talking like 30 plus. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit like if you did like it, and leave us a comment on anything you want to know about the winery here, or the vineyard.
It's Luke's new word. Drink too much port, just ignore him. I've
got to drive today as well. No, honestly, I'm not drinking and driving. I promise. Anyway, if you have liked the video, please hit like. If you have any questions, leave us a comment.
And don't forget to subscribe, because that means the world to us, so we can keep promoting more videos like this and showing you guys a bit of our adventures and our life.
Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.